Now in this question, 100 concentric circles are drawn with radius 1, 2, 3 up to 100, and the region bounded by the innermost circle is labeled as 1, and the region bounded by the innermost circle and the second innermost circle is labeled as 2. So for example, if we have to calculate the area of region 2, we have to find out actually this one region, the shaded part. So for this, calculating this region, we need to subtract the area of region 1 from region 2. So it's actually subtracting the inner circle from the outer circle, and so on, calculating for the third and fourth region. Now in this question, we have to calculate the sum of areas of all the region that are labeled by even numbers to the area of the outermost circle. So in this case, the question is actually we need to sum the areas of the even number regions and outermost circle. Outermost circle, for calculating the area of outermost circle, it's very simple. We know the radius for the outermost circle is 100, and radius for outermost circle is 100, and we can calculate the area is pi 100 square. That's the first part. Now the second part, we have to calculate the region, that is the region 2, and then we need to draw another region that is 3, and then there is another region that is 4. So we need to calculate the area for the fourth region also. And in that case, we need to calculate the area of the circle with radius 4 and subtracting the area of the circle from with radius 3, and so on. Then we can calculate the area of the even numbered region. So for me, the question is, area of the second circle turns out to be pi 2 square, or let's say second region turns out to be pi 2 square minus 1 square, and plus this equation will go on pi 4 square minus 3 square plus 6 square minus 5 square, and then we are multiplying it with pi, and so on up to pi into 100 square minus 99 square. Now if we calculate this further, we can take pi as common, and then from 2 square minus 1 square we can write it 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1 is 1 and the difference is 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 into 1 is 3, plus 4 plus 3 and 4 minus 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 plus 3 is 7, so 7 into 1 is 7, plus 6 minus 5 and 6 plus 5, 6 minus 5 is 1 and 6 plus 5 is 11, and so on. This series will continue, and if the last term turns out to be 100 plus 99 and 100 minus 99, which is effectively 199. So we need to calculate the sum of all this series. So this is the series with the even number of regions. So we can say n by 2, the number of terms turns out to be 50 over here, 50 by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term, that is 3 over here, l is the last term, which is 199, and we need to add, and this is the sum of all the terms. So importantly, if we multiply this 50 into 202 by 2 into pi, so that is 101 into 50 into pi. So that's the area of the even number region, and we know the area of the outer circle is pi 100 square. So if I have to calculate the ratio with pi 100 square, so pi into 100 into 100, so the pi, say we can cancel out pi, say with pi 51 the 52 the, so the ratio turns out to be 101 is to 200. That's my option number 3, which I can mark as the answer.